Alright guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be teaching you 3 faceless Facebook niches that you can start in 2024 and monetize within the next 3 months. These niches don't require you to show your face. All you have to do is make background research about this content and put them up on Facebook with good editing, and you'll be able to monetize within the next 3 months. Let's check out the niches. Hello, I am Justice Chibike. If you are new to this channel, I teach Facebook growth and monetization. Please do well to subscribe, share and like this video. The first type of video is called facts about people or a place. This kind of video gives details about a particular place, maybe a tourist center or a unique culture of people. This kind of video doesn't require you to show your face. All you have to do is make a background research on Google about a particular place, maybe in your country or in your community, or a particular culture that is unique. Make a background research, grab images or videos that have been done in that location, and you use it to compile your content. The second niche to start creating faceless contents on is called the top 10 list. This is one of the laziest kind of content to create on Facebook and monetize. Here you don't need to make any research. All you have to do is to search on Google. There are a lot of websites that have done this kind of top 10 posts on their website. So all you have to do is to copy it, use free softwares like pictory.com or other AI softwares that can help you transcribe text to sound. Make sure you are using an AI software that has a human voice. And that is all you have to do. Grab videos and photos, compile them together like the one you are watching on this video, and you are good to go. And the last niche is called the celebrity gist niche. This kind of niche only requires you to follow the trends of things that are happening, things that are trending. Get the video of a particular thing that is trending, disguise it by giving it a good edit and a complete voice over. Then you are going to post it on your page and you will be able to monetize the contents. Alright guys, so these are the 3 types of niches that you can start a faceless page on Facebook with, and you are going to monetize within the next 3 months. So if you are a camera shy type of person, try these 3 niches and you are going to monetize them on Facebook. Thank you guys. Till I come your way next time, I remain Justice Chibike. Stay safe.